Welcome to the Wild Game Recipes. Today we're making Elk Tenderloin Wellington. This recipe takes 2 hours to prep and 45 minutes to cook. Serves 8 to 10 and is medium difficulty. Ingredients: 3 pounds elk tenderloin, 2 tablespoons grapeseed oil, 1 pound puff pastry, 8 ounces mushroom duxelles, 4 ounces pâté de foie gras, 6 thin slices prosciutto, 2 egg yolks, 2 tablespoons Dijon mustard, salt and pepper to taste, 1 pound mixed mushrooms, shallots, 2 cloves garlic, 2 tablespoons butter, 1/4 cup white wine, and salt and pepper to taste. Duxelles preparation: sauté shallots and garlic in butter until soft. Add mushrooms and cook until all liquid evaporates, about 15 minutes. Season and cool completely. Step 2. Tenderloin searing. Season tenderloin with salt and pepper. Sear in hot oil on all sides until browned but still rare, about 6 minutes total. Cool completely and brush with mustard. Step 3. Pastry assembly. Spread the mushroom duxelles evenly. Roll pastry into rectangle large enough to encase tenderloin. Spread duxelles down center. Lay prosciutto over duxelles. Spread pâté over prosciutto. Step 4. Wellington assembly. Place seared tenderloin over pâté. Brush pastry edges with egg wash, fold over filling, and seal seams carefully. Turn seam side down. Step 5. Decoration. Score decorative pattern on top and brush entire surface with egg wash. Chill 30 minutes to set. Step 6. Baking. Bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes, then reduce to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and bake 25 to 30 minutes more until golden brown and internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 7. Resting. Rest 10 minutes before slicing to allow juices to redistribute. And that's how you make Elk Tenderloin Wellington. Get this recipe and 400 more in the Wild Game Recipes app on the App Store. For more recipes, visit thewildgamerecipes.com.